Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today just wanted to hop on and do a scent of the day. So today I wanted to I just felt like wearing magic in the air. And so in the shower, I just I used Almond Blossom body wash, but that really to me wasn't kind of where I was trying to highlight. So any either unscented or I would go with like an almond type of scented body wash for that. Like I said, I used Almond Blossom from Bath and Body Works, but that's not kind of again what I'm trying to highlight. I really was focusing on magic in the air. So out of the shower, I put on just a fragrance oil that I made, and um, I topped off the lotion with Magic in the Air. Now, Bath and Body Works says Magic in the Air smells like a sweet floral wondrous wish, and the fragrance notes are almond flower, sparkling persimmon, white iris, whipped vanilla bourbon, and fluffy sandalwood. And then I topped it off with the body mist. This is a light scent to me, in my opinion, so I went a little heavy. Also sprayed it on my clothes, and then I topped it off with MixBar's vanilla bourbon. Now, this is a fragrance that's sold at Target. They also have a body mist for it that I actually use and put in my hair because it's safe for a hair mist as well. Um, and the main accords for this are vanilla, woody, powdery, sweet, amber, fresh, spicy. And the fragrance notes, the top notes are black pepper, bergamot. The middle notes are jasmine, vanilla orchid, apple blossom, and the base notes are Madagascar vanilla, sandalwood, and amber. And so that's what I'm gonna be smelling like today, guys. And I have a little travel size of the MixBar, so I'll just throw that in my purse if I need to top off. And so that is my scent of the day with Magic in the Air. Thanks again for watching. Check out our layering playlist. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.